Emergency intervention efforts to salvage diseased pillar coral colonies have yielded promising results. Last June, with disease aggressively advancing, the Department of Environment took swift action to remove and relocate pieces of these rare corals. Cayman 27's Joe Avery has more in this report.
Almost 11 months after a wave of disease was first observed, the rare and beautiful namesake corals at the Killer Pillar dive site are scarred but still alive. In June, with the disease rapidly progressing, the DOE undertook an emergency intervention.
We're just experimenting with some of the techniques that have been used in other diseases on other coral species and seeing what works and what doesn't.
While 81% of salvaged corals reattached to other parts of the reef were still alive after 5 months, 23% of these showed signs of white plague disease. Physical barrier techniques showed mixed results at stopping the spread of disease on individual pillars. And a nursery experiment which includes dipping coral fragments in an iodine and seawater solution has shown 100% survivorship 3 months post-treatment.
Suspending them in the open water column from the coral nursery trees, you really do help give the coral the ability to kind of grow a lot faster than it would when it's competing with other resources close to the seabed.
Deputy Director Tim Austin says the DOE will keep a close eye on the situation at Killer Pillar and other known locations of pillar coral around our islands.
We're monitoring it and we'll have a better handle on how this disease progresses and how it kind of disappears if it does. We hope it does, but yeah, a lot is just simply not known.
The long-term results of this emergency intervention will ultimately inform future efforts to combat coral disease. Joe Avery, Cayman 27.
Miami-based Dial Cord and Associates and Cayman Eco Divers provided the DOE with assistance on the Killer Pillar salvage and restoration effort.